Hello everyone, welcome to my JavaScript tutorial for beginners. In this particular video, that's going to be a lot of fun, okay? So in this video, we're going to print a current date, time and all these things, okay? We're going to play with the date. So I already have my HTML. If you don't have, please make it just like this. You don't need actually to learn about HTML, just copy and paste, or maybe you can watch that one. So I do have my boilerplate. Inside the body tag, I'm going to create my script tag. So script, and inside that script I'm going to write my JavaScript code. Okay, so it's very easy, guys. So let d equal to new date and parenthesis. Okay, since I want to print or I want to show to my HTML page, so document dot write, and I'm going to pass a D inside, semicolon, and I'm going to save, and ta-da! So here today's date with the time, so it's printed. But I don't want that big, so I don't want that, it's too much. Okay, so I just want date. What I'm going to do, so d dot get date, okay, and here parenthesis. Okay, it's running, come on, and there you go, it's 23. That's today's date. What about current year? I just want current year. Then get full year 2020. Okay, and that's what we can do it. Dot get hours 16. So right now it's time is 4, so that's why. Get minutes, milliseconds, I mean, you can do like a lot of thing inside. So that's really cool, right? So that's what you're going to do with the date. If anytime you want to, you want current time or something like that, that's very easy, right? And it's very fun. So hope you like my video, and if you like my video, please share and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Another cool thing, right? Okay, bye bye.